You fine? Oh, he's so small. Oh my gosh. A baby.
Oh,
Is he poisonous?
no, he's not poisonous. No birds are poisonous.
Oh my god, he's so soft. Is this, what kind of bird is this?
I don't know.
Oh,
It's okay.
yeah.
You're okay.
Buddy, is it okay? You're okay. Sweet boy. Benny, come out here. Where's your mom? Benny, come out here. Okay, I don't care, but just come out here. Look at this bird. He's injured.
I think they saw you.
I don't care.
I think they saw you.
We don't care if we get shot. We just want to save the bird. Well, that's what I want to do.
I do too.
Should we bring it inside? Yeah, we can't bring it inside. What stuff should I get? Like,
Does that hurt, little buddy? No? Does this hurt?
Come on, buddy. I think they're getting the gun.
we don't care. We're trying to do a YouTube video, man. Calm down. Look at that, guys. Look at it. Oh, it's cute. So cute. March out for us.
No.
What a beak. Oh, you're so cute. Benny, it's fun. Don't look at those high schoolers.
Benny, you're okay.
Benny, you're fun, but you can stay if you want. Oh my god. Can I hold him?
No.
Why?
You don't, here, no. Here, hold on. I just,
Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my goodness. Who are you calling?
friend. Here, do it gently. Do it like this, do it like that.
I
Like
know,
that.
I'm doing
Don't do it to its wings. So it might be injured.
it. No,
Hold on, I'm gonna call Sam.
he's Sam.
My friend.
Oh my god. He's so cute. Hey guys, look, this is Gavin.
Yeah.
I think
Can I pet it?
I saved the bird.
Yeah, you can pet it. This is Benny. This is Benny. Yo, it's fine. It's fine. Oh my!
It's free!
It's free!
Sam, I just saved
Oh my god!
I just saved the bird.
He just saved the bird! Oh my goodness!
Against Johnny's window.
Oh my god! He saved it!
And then
Oh my god!
here, I was holding it for like 2
He's-
seconds, but look at this is how close I am to it.
You're so cute, buddy!
Here, I'll show you it.
God, I'm gonna go get my shoes on real quick. I gotta go get my shoes on. Yeah. I'm gonna get my shoes on. Where are my shoes? I just want to go pet the bird one more time. Where? Oh, she's my other shoe. I'm gonna wear this inside. Guys, I don't know if you saw me. You probably didn't see me that well, but we gotta go see. Bro! You okay, buddy?
Alright, I'll call you back.
You can't see him. Ew, wait.
Here, I'll take a photo and send it to you. Just give me your phone number after.
Okay, guys, see you later. I'll make a video when we save him. See you guys.